on our arms, we're gonna do some arms workout. So the exercise is gonna go just like 5 exercises. We're gonna begin with some arm circles. We're gonna go to do some push-ups. After push-ups, we're gonna do some triceps dips. After some triceps dips, we're gonna transition to some push-up rotation, and then we're gonna finish this workout with some leg curl. Alright? Without wasting too much of your time, we're gonna jump straight to the exercises. So, as I said, we're gonna begin with some arm circle. You're just gonna put the arms out wide, just like this, and then just like this, forward. If you want, you can count or you can time yourself like some seconds or some minutes. It's up to you, because I'm not gonna cut you, like I'm not gonna set something for you that maybe you can go over that or you cannot reach, and then you're gonna like feel some kind of way. So just do some arm circles however you can, just like this. Make sure you get it right. Make sure like your arms are like parallel to the ground, and then you keep doing it. Make sure you keep breathing to let the oxygen into your muscles. This is something that's gonna like also like prep your shoulders, prep your arms, your triceps for the upcoming exercises too. Alright, once you do forward, you're gonna do backward. And then after that, we're done with arm circle. We're gonna now transition to some push-ups. So the push-ups are just gonna go like this. Make sure your arms are like this, back straight, arms like shoulder width, and then there we go for push-ups. You go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Make sure like your elbow break to 90-degree angle. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So the main thing is you're gonna focus on the forearm. Proper form gives good results. The better you do it, the right way, the more muscles you get. That's what you need to do. You need to focus on the form instead of the numbers, because at the end, it's not because of the number you're doing it, it's the form, and then that's what you want to get right. So now we're gonna transition to some triceps dips. You're gonna put just like this. You're gonna put your arms behind your back, just like this, and then you can see. Then you go down and up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I can literally like do to show you like from the back. I'm gonna do to show you from the back how it works the triceps. So right here, go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that was how you do the triceps dips. Now we're gonna go to some push-ups rotation. It's gonna look like same position as push-ups. You go down, you come up on your side, you bring it back, you go down, you come up on your side, down, up, you rotate, down, up, you rotate, down, up, you rotate, down, up, and you rotate. So for that one, you're gonna do as many as you can also, but the best thing is focusing on your form. That's what you need to do. Just always remember to focus on your form. So now we're gonna finish with our last exercise, which is gonna be some leg curl. It's so simple, and this one is for your biceps. That's basically you're just gonna go like this, go against the wall, and then we're gonna begin with the right. So you bring your left leg up, just right here, and then, so if you look at my biceps, you're gonna see how this one works for your biceps. And then something I'm gonna tell you is like, so once you begin the workout just like this, you're not gonna use any strength of your legs to lift your leg up. Everything has to be done by using your biceps. You're just gonna look like this. You keep it there, and then you lift. Trust me, if you do it the right way, you're not even gonna feel your leg, you'll be feeling your bicep. There, 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 and then now you're gonna switch to the left arm. Just like this, and then up, 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 up. As you can see right here, you're gonna see how the biceps is flexing. Up, 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 up. So guys, that was all 5 exercises for your arms workout today. And I'll make sure, I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you leave any comments you have or had, and then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also remember, I always leave my other social media pages on the description. Make sure you go and then check them out, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.